John F. McKenna, Esquire, Private Attorney, MacElree, Harvey. Attorney John McKenna was nominated for the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award by Liz Fritsch and Harvey Strauss, co-directors of Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania. John McKenna is a successful attorney with the Westchester law firm of MacElree Harvey. Dedicated to the cause of equal justice for those who have nowhere else to turn, John is unique among the many wonderful friends and supporters of Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania, as demonstrated by the intensity of his commitment. He is always willing to devote his time and will often spend his own political and personal capital to achieve the goals of equal justice for low-income residents of Southeastern Pennsylvania. John is unusual in being willing to get his hands dirty, making personal phone calls and showing up when needed to speak up for the importance of legal services and pro bono. John first became directly involved in the work of civil legal aid when he joined the pro bono committee of the Chester County Bar Association in 2002. He immediately assumed a leadership role and looked for ways to increase and strengthen pro bono efforts with the goal of increasing access to the courts for low-income individuals and families. In 2004, while president of the Chester County Bar Association, John was instrumental in the design of its Access to Justice initiative, a pro bono program designed to reach beyond the client population already served by Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania and Community Impact Legal Services by offering services to those of modest means who needed legal help. This program greatly benefits the working poor and those clients who experience various types of legal problems that legal aid cannot handle. Shortly thereafter, John joined the LASP Board of Directors, jumping right in and making legal aid's fundraising efforts in Chester County a matter of his personal responsibility. He has revitalized the board fundraising committee and actively supported the Chester County Trial Run, the Taste of Chester auction, and the Chester County Private Attorney fundraising campaign. Practically single-handedly, John has doubled the base of support from members of the local bar. His efforts enabled LASP to receive and maintain matching grants from the Independence Foundation. Most recently, John went with LASP officials to meet with the Chester County Board of Commissioners and was able to secure an in-kind donation of office space, resulting in annual savings of $35,000. John McKenna is unique in his ability to see the bigger picture and to bring people and systems together to collaborate in a cohesive and effective way to accomplish goals. He has brought together the Bar Association, LASP and SILS, the Paralegals Association, and the Chester County Bench toward the goal of equal justice for all. The Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network is pleased to present John McKenna with its 2008 Excellence Award.
Sorry that I couldn't make it to this ceremony, and I'm very honored by Plan to give me this award, but really is to the county, to Chester County, that really should get the award, because I've got nothing but support from the entire community, from the judges to the lawyers, to the paralegals, to the secretaries, to the whole legal community, and Chester County has really picked up the ball and ran with it. We've gone from a county that really didn't give much to legal aid financially to giving a record amount each year. This year we gave more than $80,000, and at one time we had our average was about $9,000 or $10,000. So we've really been able to pick it up, and I'm really happy about that. And I'm really happy that our county could pick up the ball. And I wanted to thank, in particular, Judge Platt, Catherine Platt, who was really instrumental in getting the bench behind us and helping us reinforce the message, which is a giving message, not only of your time, which is for volunteers, for pro bono, and for access to justice, but also for giving to legal aid when somebody can't do the work, when somebody can't or doesn't have the time or doesn't have the expertise to do a custody or a support or a bankruptcy or a landlord-tenant or one of the other actions that we do. So we're really pleased that everybody could chip in either with their time or their money, or in many cases both, and many people do give both. So again, I want to thank everybody for thinking of us and thinking of our effort here in Chester County.
John McKenna offers special thanks to Wendy Hoffman, Executive Director of the Chester County Bar Association, and Janae Lindsay, Pro Bono Administrator with the Bar Association. MacElree Harvey Limited, Bill Gallagher and Tina Cortez in particular, and Harvey Strauss and Liz Fritch, co-directors of LASP.